Hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. I hope you're having a great weekend so far. We are back shopping at Sam's Club. It is the final weekend before Christmas. Let's see what we can find. Now, we are going to see a lot of clearance items this time of year. You're going to find some really great deals. Now, from the brand Native, we have 2 bottles of the Holiday Body Wash. These are on clearance now, $18.91. They still have quite a few here in the store, and next week we'll see if that price drops even lower. And then the Welch's Sparkling Drink. Now, this is, of course, our red grape and white grape. You're getting 2 bottles of each, non-alcoholic, $11.98. And our outdoor furniture is here. This is a new arrival. Now, this set looks like one we have seen before. You have 2 of the settees. Those do rock. And then 2 of the armchairs. Those swivel. They rock a little bit. And then you have, of course, the coffee table with the fire pit. That one is $3,000. Now, this is definitely a new set. For $2,700, you're getting 2 chairs. And these are stationary. I'm kind of sliding it on the rug. Plus, you have the little couch as well. And the coffee table, there's no fire pit. So if you're looking for a stationary set, definitely check this one out. 4-piece set for $2,700. I know these outdoor pieces are definitely pricey. Now, I definitely know this is a return from earlier this year or from last year. I do personally like this set. It's $2,300. You have the coffee table with the fire pit, but I really like the size of the couch. And then you have the 2 ottomans or extra seating. Now, this set my husband really liked, and this definitely went up in price. And the chairs are super comfortable. So yeah, $2,300. It used to be just $2,000. It's definitely gone up by $300. You have that fire pit in the middle as well, but it's a very comfortable set. There's still a lot of the gift packages. So we have our Mary Mary treat tower. Now, that's actually a real wooden box you could reuse at a later time. You do have 2 options, and those are about $35 each. Now, if you're looking for some perfume or cologne, Sam's Club definitely has it. Of course, these are the brand names like Gucci and Coach. Then over here we have Calvin Klein, Burberry. So there's quite a few here, a really great selection. And if you're wanting a gift bag, they have those available. And some really nice watches. So all you have to do is just ask a sales associate for those. Last couple of weeks we have seen these, and they have lowered the clearance price even more. Now about $40. Those are about 50% off now. And then the Infinity Ornament Decor, this is for the outdoors. They've lowered it down to $36.86. Lots of great clearance prices on the remaining holiday items like the Prismatic Nutcracker, $110. And even these. You're getting 6 different treats. These would be great for stocking stuffers, smaller gifts. $14.94. Now, this is actually a new item. This is the first time I'm seeing this, and maybe they found this in the warehouse, but it's a 2-in-1 gift, and these are super adorable. But they're already on clearance, so new and a great deal. They don't have too many left. I'm wondering if it was a return. This is the first time I've seen these. $15.97 already on clearance. Now, we are starting to see the spring items, and this is the wine barrel planter, 22 inches round. Now, it is plastic, so it's going to be lightweight, and those are $14.97. You actually have 2 options. And we found some more planters, and these are really nice. They're a set of 3. You have 2 options, and they have the holes at the bottom. So if you want the holes, you definitely have that option. All you have to do is just pop them out. But if you want to leave them in for no drainage, you definitely could do that. And you can see them right here. So really easy to pop out. But I like that you're getting 3 of them. These are a really good price, $19.94, and they're frost resistant. So that's a huge plus. Now these planters are really nice. This is actually a returning item here at Sam's Club. We have 3 different options. They're also frost resistant. They're about 22 inches round, such a good size. They're very lightweight. They also have the plugs at the bottom. So whatever you plant inside, you know that the planter is not going to be too heavy, and the plant itself will add some weight to it, but $19.94 each, so you don't have to worry about them tipping over, even with these. Now these are definitely lightweight, and you can see there's a shelf right at the middle. If you're wanting to add some weight to them, you could definitely add some rocks as well, and then add your plant to it. But this is really pretty. I really like the height of it, 36 inches tall. But you don't have to worry about filling it up from the bottom up. That's a huge plus. These are sold separately, and these are about $40 each, $39.87. If you're looking for a new garden hose, this is one of the longest ones I have seen. They're 110 feet long. Great reviews on this one as well. And also kink resistant, $32.63. Also for the outdoors, but honestly, you can use these indoors if you want. You have 2 options. These seat cushions are really nice because they are weather resistant. They're also fade resistant. So if you have them out in the sun, that is definitely going to be a huge plus. And those are $19.94 each. Now, these are the deep seating cushions. They are connected. Looks like you have a pillow on the back and of course your seat cushion. Again, you have 2 options. They are fade resistant. These are a little bit on the pricier side, but when it comes to the outdoor cushions, sometimes they tend to cost more. These are $89.96, but they are great quality. Now, if you're looking for a new outdoor welcome mat, especially for after the holiday season, I like these because perfect for double doors, 57 inches wide, 23 inches deep, and you have hello or welcome. This would also make a great gift, $24.96. And even the metal crane statue, if you know anyone who likes cranes, this is a pack of 2, and this is perfect, especially for springtime. $34.94. We do have some new candles. Now these are springtime candles, and it's funny because today is just the first day of winter. They are in glass, and then you can lift up the tab if you're wanting to smell the scent. And it looks like there's 3 different ones. They are beautiful and only here for a limited time, and these are $19.94. Now we also have a new outdoor ottoman, and I haven't seen this one before. Sometimes we do see some of like the same items kind of come back year after year, but this is a nice new addition. And especially if you're looking for an outdoor ottoman, you have 2 options. You can use these for a footrest. You can use them as extra seating. That is up to you. They are sold separately, and those are about $49.98 each. Now this looks really good. They didn't have the price, so I did have to look it up. They're about $15.63 on the pricier side, but of course this is macadamia nuts, toffee coated macadamia nuts with a milk chocolate as well. That sounds so good. Macadamia nuts even by themselves are delicious. Now we have a new dessert, the dessert mochi, and this is actually the second one we have seen here at Sam's Club. And the first one is actually in the freezer with the pistachio ice cream, and of course you have that chocolate around it. And then this one is out on the floor. You can see next to the Oreo cookies. They're individually wrapped as well. These actually sound really good. $12.48. Of course, I do like the Dubai style, the pistachio dark chocolate. It's always a great combination. Now the Oreo cookies, even both of these are on clearance. And these are great portion control because there's only 2 cookies in each pack, $11.91 each. This is also on clearance from Iceman, and this makes the slushy drinks. There's actually 3 different options at Sam's Club. They're on clearance already. They haven't been at the store for very long. They start off at $250. They've lowered the price now on clearance for $149.91. Definitely check this out. This is another item, a great clearance price. Make sure you're getting 4 containers and the tray. You can see they're already selling down. These start off about $20 and now on clearance for $10.91. That's a great deal. Now from Traumatina, we saw these going on clearance and they've lowered the price even further, now $49.91. Now Sam's Club has 2 other garbage cans, the stainless steel garbage cans. The other one is from Simply Human. This one actually has the motion sensor. Now I'm a huge Star Wars fan, so I kind of like to pretend I'm a Jedi Knight, kind of wave my hand over like I'm using the Force for it to open. So I always have fun with these. Now it is regular price of $74.98. And from Reynolds Kitchen, I like these because not only for cakes, so many multiple uses, especially around the holiday season. So you're getting 6 cake pans, 6 lids. That is perfect if you're visiting someone or going to somebody else's house. You don't have to worry about leaving any dishes behind. $10.26. Now, Rayo's has pasta. I'm very familiar with their sauce, but I did not know they made a pasta as well. So 4 bags per box. You're getting 2 bags of each pasta. And Sam's Club really does have some great options when it comes to pasta. Lots of varieties as well. And this is definitely the latest, and these are $9.28. The Yule logs, I really did enjoy the Yule log here at Sam's Club. It was so good. My family enjoyed it as well. But lots of great dessert options. If you're looking for any for the holiday season, we have the cheesecakes, we have the key lime and the silk chocolate, tiramisu, cupcakes, so many great bakery options. Now this is actually new. And these are the cinnamon palmiers. There is 6 in each container. And I really like the price. And you could tell that these are fresh. So $4.83. But I do like the Sam's Club bakery. Now, the meats, we have a lot of specialties, especially like the ribeye roast. We saw that last week. And this is the brisket. You can see they're already selling down. So at $4.98 a pound, over 18 pounds. So that was about $91. Definitely lift that up with care. Even the pajamas. Now this is from the brand Loft. Now in the store, we found 3 different options. If you visit samsclub.com, there's actually 5 options. Now they don't have the prices up. These are $17.96. Very comfortable. I have purchased those before. They are super soft, and even after washing, they still look like they did from the first day I purchased them. And you could tell we're definitely jumping ahead of season from Members Mark, the pajama set. So we have about 3 different options, actually 4. And these are the shorts with the short sleeve. They button down, $15.98 each. Now, if you're looking for long sleeves with the pants, they still have them. Now, this is the only print with the floral. My mom has those. They wash so well. They're still as soft. And even these, so we have them in red, blue, and in black. I have these as well. I have them in black, and I love them. I had them for a couple of years now, and they really do last a long time. We also have our men's pajama set. So shorts with the short sleeve. We have 3 options, and those are $14.96. And even from Vince Camuto, the Valentine's Day sweaters have arrived, and you can see they're already getting picked over. So we have it in red with the pearl hearts. And I have purchased a couple of these sweaters in the past. Honestly, I just wash them in Delicate, hang them up to dry, and they're really good quality too. I think my favorite is this one right here, the tan with the hearts. I like the placement of the hearts. These sweaters are so nice and soft and super, super cute. And I really like the price point. And with hearts, I feel you could wear that any time of the year. And those are $19.98 each. Now we also have a new men's pullover. This is from the brand Land's End. And the Land's End brand is actually really decent. You have that quarter zipper with the mock neck. It has a good weight to it. There's no pockets. But these are really nice. They do have the fleece lining, so this is definitely going to keep you warm. And we have about 4 options here in the store at a really great price for a men's sweater. This is $17.98 each. Now this is new. There's 2 tubes of the mud mask plus the silicone applicator. This would definitely make a great last minute gift. And definitely check out the store. They still have a few of the Christmas items. I know they're definitely marking them down, moving them out, so that could vary from store to store. And this mask bundle is $19.98 for each one. But I like that they're in boxes, so easy for gift wrapping. Now from Rind, this is the granola squares. Ooh, raspberry almond sounds really good. So made with real fruit and yogurt. They are gluten-free. They're crunchy as well. And you can see they have a long shelf life and only here for a limited time, $8.98. And then from the Snack Club, here's another Dubai style chocolate mix. Oh, this is a nice little variety you have here. Crunch bites, ooh, dark chocolate chunks. And then, oh, the chocolate filled fudge. Oh, that actually sounds really good. And then you have the pistachios. Oh, this sounds really good. $14.98. Nice little variety, only here for a limited time as well. And we have another new snack, the ramen snack with the original soy sauce. It's crunchy. Oh, this sounds really good. Very lightweight, but there's over 12 ounces in each bag. Limited time only for $6.98. Well, everyone, thank you so much for coming along to Sam's Club with me today. Thank you again for your time and for watching. Take care, happy holidays, and I'll talk to you later.